We just bought this boom kit and screen off of Amazon for a Blue Yeti microphone, and I just wanted to open the box and let y'all see what it comes with. Here's the actual screen. Nice and soft. Got a nice universal clamp on it. This is a very universal type of a screen. And then, what is this? It's got some Velcro like cable holders, and it's got a bolt on the end here. Alright, inside of here, everything you need for your boom. It's got a big boom clamp. It's got the place to put the microphone. Cool, it's got like a mic or yeah, like a windscreen that you can put on top of the mic. And then it's got the boom. It's pretty nice. It looks a lot like the real expensive ones, but this one was not. Nice and got a lot of resistance on it. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. So this is the kit you're looking at. Looks like it's going to be a pretty nice kit. All right, I hope this review was helpful. Thank you all very much for watching. Take care.